Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
Welcome to another vlog. I'm vlogging again today and I'm kind of getting my vlogging mojo back. So I thought I would vlog like bits of today, and I also vlogged last night, which I want to include in this footage in a second. And last night I cooked my homemade mac and cheese. It's all made from scratch and it's all quite affordable. It's just a really nice winter dinner, which I wanted to show you guys just in case you wanted to follow along. I know a lot of you guys on Instagram actually said that you want to see the recipe. So yeah, anyway, I've just got dressed and I'm about to head out to get my nails done, which are so necessary. And yeah, I thought I'd have a quick bit of breakfast, and because it's December and I'm obviously being super healthy, I'm gonna have the last Krispy Kreme. I'm so excited about this. I've got my nails done. They're 1,000 times better. They were really grown out and just like before. So it's just that really nice feeling when you get your nails done and you feel a bit better. I'm also getting my hair done in a couple of days. This really needs doing. I mean, I washed it this morning, so it's just air dried. It looks okay. It just really needs the dead ends cut off. It needs freshening up. Can't wait. While I was in the nail bar, I actually booked myself a lash lift and tint. Obviously feeling like I need some like self-care or something, because I just thought I've never done that before. I feel like I'm not taking care of myself lately, and I feel like one of my resolutions for 2020 is just to take a bit better care of myself. I just feel like I'm so busy at the moment. I've just got so much on in my personal life and with work that I'm just being at the moment. I'm not just being present, I'm just existing. So it was nice to get my nails done. I'm gonna get my hair done in a couple of days, and then we're going to have a lash lift and tint as well just before Christmas. Anyway, it's been a good day so far. I'm going to quickly insert the footage of last night now, just so you guys can see the recipe for the mac and cheese. Okay, starting with my mac and cheese recipe, the things you will need, and then we will do the method. So the things you will need is a variety of different cheeses. Now I normally go with just like what's available in my fridge, and it has to be a mixture of like very subtle, more creamy cheeses and kind of bitter, dry cheeses. So I go for Parmesan, Red Leicester, which is actually my favourite cheese because I'm not a cheesy cheese person, mozzarella, full fat soft cheese from Sainsbury's, and obviously Cathedral City. If you see loads of smoke in front of the camera, it's because it's literally an incense building in here. I've lit so much incense. And then you're going to need some milk. I normally go for a plant-based milk, but unfortunately I've run out, so I have to go for normal milk, but we've gone for organic whole milk Tesco. Plain flour, Tesco organic salted butter, and then you're going to need a whole range of herbs and spices. I've gone into the back of my cupboard. I found normal macaroni pasta shapes. These are actually Tesco owned. And then some of these, which are from Waitrose. This is like the Fusilli Bucati hollow pasta ringlet. So both of them will be really nice. Just get whatever pasta is in your cupboard, but I highly recommend the large swirly one from Aldi. Make it a little bit festive because it is the month of December, aka the best month I'm going to use some of this. This is apple and herb stuffing mix from Sainsbury's. But instead of turning it into stuffing, I'm going to pour it on top of the macaroni cheese when I bake it. It's going to be like a crispy coating on top, and hopefully it tastes like nice and festive. And then I also do add some spices and chilies to it, mainly being paprika as well. So things like paprika, pepper, chili flakes. First things first, we make the roux. Okay, so we need butter, plain flour, milk. So first things first, you want to cut quite a bit of the butter. Once the butter has completely melted, as you can see it's totally melted, we're going to go in and add our plain flour until it's kind of like a sticky yellow gloop. Like this, so it's kind of like dry Play-Doh, and now we add the milk. Once you've added the milk, you basically just want to keep stirring until it's kind of like a really thick sauce. You will need to add milk gradually, and you end up adding like quite a bit of milk depending on how much of the roux you made. So it's all about just gradually stirring it in, and then once the milk has totally absorbed in that like that yellow clump and it's become more of a sauce and more of like runny, that's when you can start adding your cheese. But right now this is just absorbing the milk and turning it into slush again, so I just need to keep adding milk until it's runny. Literally a mountain of cheese. I still also need to add the Sainsbury's full fat cheese and my mozzarella. I add the whole bag of mozzarella just because the liquid is also quite good. It's now my roux, which is just plain flour, butter and milk, and now I basically just dump all of the cheese in here and then start seasoning it. Which is kind of the thing I look forward to the most, is draining the pasta. I've cooked enough pasta for 100,000 people, as always. And then I will pour in the cheese sauce, and then I'm going to put the Sainsbury's breadcrumbs or stuffing mix on top. I don't know how it's going to go. It's definitely a risk, but I think it could be quite nice. I think it could be quite festive, and I'm excited to try it.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us.
And welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you do make that recipe then do let me know. Gotta go upstairs to the office and work. Woo! I'm also going to grab a cup of tea because I didn't manage to get my Krispy Kreme donut in before the nail appointment. I had to rush out. So I'm gonna make myself a nice cup of tea, get the donut, and go to my office, eat it, and do a bit of work.
Oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. a symbol of goodwill and love. You'll ever be unchanging. Each shining light, each silver bell, no one alive spreads cheer so well. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, you'll ever be unchanging.
Yay! Lawrence is home with the McDonald's. Dun, dun. So it's, yeah, just a chicken burger with like, oh, it looks quite nice though. It's got onion in it and I can't wait. Okay, let's do a little taste test because this is new on the festive menu.
It is new.
I just want to see what it's like. You can taste it after as well.
Thank you.
It's okay. There could be a bit more sauce in my opinion.
Yeah.
But the chicken's really nice actually and the batter is really nice.
Yeah.
It's alright.
It's alright.
It's alright.
Average.
It's average. Like if you like what you get from McDonald's, say if you always get a Big Mac or always get the veggie wrap, I wouldn't venture too far away from that because this isn't, it's okay.
That's pretty harsh. In a way. It's not worth even trying.
Maybe once,
Maybe once.
but this is my once. So it's okay.
Nah. There you go.
Wow.
Hey.
4 years later. Hello, future self. I realised this was like quite a jumpy vlog and I haven't actually properly, I don't know, made it a smooth transitional vlog. I am actually vlogging today and that's going to be my next vlog uploaded. I hope you enjoyed this video anyway and you got something out of it. I hope if you do make the mac and cheese, you let me know. And yeah, I found that adding the stuffing on top was very out there. I've never actually heard of it before, but it makes sense because stuffing is essentially breadcrumbs and flavouring, so it worked really well and Lawrence really enjoyed it. We both really enjoyed it actually. Anyway, so I'm going to end this vlog here and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it made you feel a little bit festive, really. I am going to close this vlog off now. I love you guys very much and I'll see you again in the very near future. Bye.